Let's talk today about the most important substance in the world, about water. Among all chemical compounds, water plays an exceptional role in ensuring the life processes of organisms. The basis of the internal environment of organisms is water. Metabolism and energy transformation processes take place in the aqueous medium. Water takes a direct part in the cleavage reactions of organic compounds. A person can live without food for more than 40 days. Without water, no more than 3 days. Let's remember a little material from chemistry. A water molecule consists of non-metal atoms, 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. A water molecule has an angular structure. A dipole is a water molecule. That water molecule has a positive and negative charge at the same time. Click on the dipole. Such a unique property is due to the presence of a hydrogen bond in a water molecule. A hydrogen bond occurs between atoms of different molecules, O, oxygen, and H, hydrogen, which differ in electronegativity values. Thanks to the hydrogen bond, water has high fusing and boiling points. Otherwise, water would boil at -80 and freeze at -100. Let's analyze the properties of water. Dissolution. Water is a versatile solvent. During dissolution, water dipoles surround charged particles of agent with corresponding poles, and as if they distend the substances, separating the ions from each other. But there are substances that do not dissolve in water. These are called hydrophobic. Hydrophobicity, property of some substances not to get wet and repel water. The second property of water is fluidity. Click on a plant in the aquarium. The movement of water is marked by arrows. During photosynthesis, water is a source of hydrogen. Thanks to the formation of hydrogen bonds, the molecules seem to stick together, are kept at a close distance. But under the influence of an external force, molecules can skip to a free place in the direction of the applied force. Therefore, water can move downwards, gravitational force, or upwards, osmose, in the direction of a greater concentration of substances. The third inherence is surface tension. Surface tension is a physical phenomenon, the essence of which is the desire of a liquid to reduce its surface area at an abiding volume. Thanks to the forces of surface tension, liquid drops assume a spherical shape, a capillary effect occurs, and some insects can walk on water. Find the thermometer and click on it. Now we will consider such a property of water as high heat capacity. Heat capacity of water, the amount of heat that needs to be provided to warm 1 kilogram of water by 1 grade. The specific heat capacity of water exceeds the heat capacity of other solid and liquid substances. Therefore, the tissues of living organisms with a high water content do not change their temperature much. High heat of evaporation. You come across it every day. Animals use this phenomenon when perspiration, as evaporation is accompanied by refrigeration. Also, you observe evaporation when you wait for the coffee to become cool. Click on an ice crystal. High melting heat is an important factor in the exchange of heat on Earth. To melt 1 kilogram of ice, you need as much energy as has to warm 1 liter of water to 80 degrees. When ice is thawing, it absorbs a large amount of energy. Click on the pot with the flower to add water to it. Water is vitally important for the life of plants, provides osmosis and turgor, participates in photosynthesis, participates in the dispersion of gametes, pollen and seeds, seed germination. Find and click on the worm. Here's what water gives animals: formation of the internal environment of organisms, contributing to body refrigeration. Water is contained in lubricating fluids. The supporting function is the hydrostatic skeleton, favor of animal migration, providing protection, a component of tear fluid and mucus.